ये कहानी है एक सफर की, सफरिंग वाले सफर की नहीं, ट्रैवल वाले सफर की, जो शुरू होती है स्क्रैंडन के पहाड़ों से लेकर मैरीलैंड ओशन सिटी के बीचेस तक। वो डॉग वाला बीच नहीं, वो पानी समंदर रेत वाला बीच। यू गेट द पॉइंट राइट? एनीवेज, 2 दिन की कहानी है, 2 दिन की जर्नी है। देखोगे तो पसंद आएगी, और पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना, और अगर पसंद ना आए तो कोई बात नहीं, कोई और वीडियो देख लेना। Anyways, without delaying more time, let's pack our stuff and hit the road. So after 3.5 hours of driving, I did made it under 3.5 hours. So after that much of a long drive, we are finally here at Ocean City, Maryland. And now it's time to jump in the beach and walk on the boardwalk, and I'll show you all that. Before, let me change my clothes so I can like have a little more of oceany clothes and like be easy to jump in the water later on. So let's change the clothes and then walk on the boardwalk. So let me tell you a little bit about the boardwalk or the Maryland Ocean City. This is one of the most popular, most busiest and the biggest boardwalk of the whole US, I think. This is the one of the best beach of the US and is super crowded. So anyways, long story short, let me show you what it looks like.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
So last time when I came over here, I had a juice that I was trying to look, and I walked for almost like, I don't know, 20 minutes. I finally find the shop, so let's go and have the juice.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
After like 20 to 30 minutes of a wait, I finally got what I came for, and that is this juice. This is the real watermelon juice with the watermelon in it. So fresh and so good. No sugar at all. Perfect blend.
So high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
A trip to a beach is never completed unless and until you have these fries, and especially if you are in Ocean City, Maryland, you have to have the Thrasher fries. These are like the best fries you can ever have. Let's try them and see, soft, a little bit vinegar on the top. I shouldn't be having them, but they're so amazing. I can't stop myself.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Finally, after 2 hours of intense walking and a lot of walking, finally came in on the beach for a while to relax. It's pretty amazing though. Less crowd around this time, so that's better for us. Anyways, like every other Pakistani, when I came over here, I did not book anything at all. So I don't know if I'll be able to find a place for the night to stay or no, because I still have a lot of plans. But long story short, you guys go and enjoy some drone footage while I call to some hotels and see if something is available for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. Now it's time to get the feet wet in the ocean before it gets a little too late, because looks like a little bit cloudy, so come on, let's go. The lifeguard just went away. The ocean is all for us. No more restrictions. That was a fun beach experience, the first one of the summer. And now let's go clean ourselves, and after that I'll take you guys to a beach club. But I don't know where we'll go first, either the beach club or the food, but we'll definitely go to a beach club later on. I hope that'll be fun for you guys. Famous for its crabs, especially crab cakes, this Ocean City area. So we are at a place for our dinner called the Hoopers, or their second kitchen is called Stinky Pea. I just placed an order for a crab cake sandwich because wherever I go, that's the only thing that I love, crab cake sandwiches that is served on a pretzel roll with some homemade fries or french fries, whatever that is, but to be fine for that. They just came in, and that is this taco shell or whatever it is, and now we're gonna try this. Looks pretty good though. Spicy. Those shrimp taco was so good. I can't say in words. 10 out of 10. I think I'm gonna order one more before I go. But anyways, our main dinner is here, and that is fries, pretzel, crab cake sandwich, some chutney, and pickle. Let's see how it is. So far the fries are good. I enjoy them. That food was amazing. The tacos were amazing, and was the crab sandwich. I have no idea. I think I'll give it 10 out of 10. Amazing food. The quality of crab cakes was amazing. I just can't express in words. Anyways, long story short, it's like late. It's like around about 9:30 right now. I don't know what to do. I still want to go to that club and I want to show you guys, but let's see. A little bit tired, a little bit lazy, but I think I'll make it. Yeah, I think let's go to the club. So, see you in the club. After the food, I came to the room to take a short nap, but I feel so tired right now that I have zero energy to go to the club. So I'll sleep for the day and we'll see you tomorrow. Until then, tata, bye bye, peace.